Good morning, sir. I am Adhya Jat from class 8th B, and today's our topic is Ancient India, Cradle of Knowledge and Culture. So, sir, we have first, if you see at the background, we have created the Indian subcontinent. The background color maroon is the Indian subcontinent. We have also included other countries like Pakistan, Myanmar, and other. And this blue color represent the Indian Ocean. Sir, sir, we have brought some ancient monuments like Sun Temple, which was built in 13th century by the Narsimha Deva. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is the Agra Fort, which was built by Emperor Akbar and in the 15th century, and it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sir, this is the Sanchi Stup, which was made by Emperor Ashoka, and it was the oldest Buddhist monument in MP. This is the Iron Pillar of Delhi. It has been 1600 year when it was built, and it is not rusted yet because it is made up of very pure iron. So then we have also brought the Ashok Stambh, which remarks the bravery and dharma and peace. Then we have also pasted some people which are doing some dance, some different art forms of dance. Sir, we have also, sir, this is the ancient postal system. In this, messages were sent through pigeons and runners, and they exchanged the messages from kingdom to kingdom. So this is the palm leaf manuscript. In earlier time, there were no papers, so people write things on the palm leaves and then convert it into a manuscript. So this is the cotton cultivation. In the Indus Valley civilization, in India, the cotton cultivation is the most old, and it is famous for its fine quality. And the people of Indus Valley civilization made clothes from it.
All our history.
Yes, sir.
What are the use of the modern time?
Sir, all these places are tourist places, and then these all dance culture are used for entertainment, storytelling, like Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, and all these are used for storytelling and also used in festivals. And then sir, the rainwater harvesting in Dholavira, they give us an idea of rainwater harvesting, and we are also using it nowadays. Like people have tanks on above their houses, so they store the rainwater. So then the drainage system in the Indus Valley civilization, it was very old, and the most fine drainage system in that particular time period. Their bathroom had sloping floors, so the water get collected, and every house was connected with a covered drains, and they float under the streets. So this was very fine, and we can take it as an inspiration for us. Nowadays people are building them. Sir, then this is the ancient irrigation which we use today also. The dam and reservoirs, they built dam and reservoirs to store the water, and canals were built to put the water into the fields. And then, sir, we have written the ancient India, and if you notice the shape of this, it is the shape of the Lord Buddha. And sir, then this is the Aravali hill, and just beside this is the Thar desert. We have showed that this is an Indian subcontinent, and the Aravali hills protect us from the windstorm of the Thar desert. And sir, this is the ancient sea route of India. India has sea route and land trade route also. We export spices, cotton, textile, and silk and other things, and we import gold, silver, and silk and other things.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Arya Sharma from class 9th B. So as you can see that we have pasted veena and tabla here just to make it look beautiful. And he's Rishi Sushruta. He's known as the father of surgery. He used tools like These are the tools he
Who was
used
the
to.
surgery?
Rishi Shushruta. Yes, sir. And we have pasted some Bhimbetka caves and Bhimbetka caves. They are located in
Have you
MP.
ever visited Bhimbetka?
No, sir.
No.
And it's a Silkravasal caves. It is located in Tamil Nadu. These caves date back from the to the 7th century. It is the most important example of Indian art and architecture. It is associated to the Jain monks. And here we have ancient star map. Ancient star map helps in astrology and navigation. Um, then we have four Vedas: Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Sam Ved, and Athar Ved. Then we have sun tell times using the sun shades, and then we have Ayurveda, the science of life. Vriksha Ayurveda, ancient science of plants. It
What's your creation in all this?
what?
What your creation in all this? Food decorating.
Can't hear you, sir. Can you
आपका
please
इसका
repeat?
क्या रोल है इसमें? इसमें रेडीमेड सब कुछ रेडीमेड
Yes,
आता है.
sir. Yes,
सारे
sir.
अपने खाली डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपका क्या रोल इसमें है? क्या किया आपने?
Sir, I need this map.
आपने बनाया है?
Yes, sir. And this as well. And names of around. Yes, sir.